We've arrived at our room at Hontoon Landing, and we're going to go inside and check it out. We have room number 12, and it's really peaceful out here. It's dusk, and there's the pool, as you can see, which is only open until, I believe, sundown.
And or as the guy in the office said, until I can't see you anymore.
Yeah. And as you can see, we're on the second floor here. Lots of boats parked out there in the little marina area. And it seems like everything closes down here pretty early, so you might want to bring some sort of entertainment. Of course, you have TV, but... Or you might not want to bring any entertainment at all and just take in nature and relax. That's what we might do. I don't know yet. But let's go for a tour of room 12 at Hontoon Landing. Alright. So as you enter the room, you can tell it's really clean in here, even though it's old, of course, but charming. Got a little bit of artwork here on the wall of Hontoon Landing, complete with a houseboat back there in the marsh. And as you walk in, it's pretty roomy here. You've got 2 queen beds, or maybe full beds. I think these are full beds actually. And you've got your little lights, so you can do some reading or whatever you might want to do. You've got an alarm clock. Nice view out there, which we'll show you in a second. Up here you've got a pretty big screen TV, which we will be partaking in some television entertainment shortly. They also have these up at the front desk right here that tells you about their deli, which is open for breakfast from 8 to 11 and lunch 8 to 2. And then if you want to rent a boat or go on a boat tour, it gives you all the times for that as well. I'm thinking about this boat tour here that says it departs at 1 p.m. There's 2 of them, and that looks like they're $28 per person. We've done that in the past and it was really awesome. So
there's a front door and a back door.
Yeah. So there's the front door, and then slowly I will pan around and show you the back door. Cute little doormat.
This is the river view, of course.
Yes. So this is really nice out here. Like total old school, nothing fancy, but very clean. And I'm picky, so if I say it's clean, I can promise you it's clean. So, it's just nice to sit out here. I think we're gonna just sit out here and enjoy the sounds of nature. It's really pretty out here.
Charcoal grills.
Oh yeah, they have a little charcoal grill down there. You can eat down there if you'd like. More than one charcoal grill. There's one down there too. And of course, you can see the sign down there. It tells you, be careful of the alligators. No swimming, wading, or feeding. So, oh yes, you also have a little table set here, a little bistro set. You can sit out here and have your coffee or your lunch. Let's go back inside. I didn't get to show the bathroom yet. More storage there if you need it. Oh, what we did also is brought a little ice chest with snacks and things, because things definitely close down early around here. They do have a little fridge here. Looks like it might have a freezer too. Top part. Little coffee machine. And then when you enter the bathroom, it's just a standard bathroom here. It does have a tub. And a few little products that you can use. Shampoo, conditioner, and makeup remover. And a little window. So, oh, this is a pretty good sized closet here too. If you have a lot of things you want to bring along with you. Extra blankets, it looks like. And a ceiling fan for those hot Florida nights.
The AC feels like it's working pretty good.
Yeah, it's nice and cool in here. It's actually really relaxing. So that's it. That's our tour of room number 12 at Hontoon Landing. Looks like it's going to be a good night's sleep. All right.
So it's about 10:30 at night. I'm going to take you out on the porch. Listen to this. It's like, this is what it sounds like. dudes are so loud, so peaceful though. So nice out here, so quiet. Other than the loud dudes. It's the next morning. Let's look out the window, see what it looks like. See any gator? Next morning. Time to go get some breakfast. Place looks like it's hopping now. Boats are running. Good morning, dude. How are you doing? Sunning yourself? Definitely going to be using the pool today. What do you say? It's always going to storm, but we got to find a spot when it's not storming. Nice and clean and ready to go. Gotta get some breakfast before 11 o'clock. The cafe serves breakfast until 11. This guy. That's our room there, that building right there. Of course, they do boat tours. Breakfast is alright. We got ourselves some home. We've got some eggs and bacon. Right by the water. And that was a yummy breakfast. And we just love this tree. How cool is that tree? I think it's a little overcast, but we might try and go in the pool. There isn't a boat tour today, so not sure what we're gonna do. Just hang out here, go to dinner later. There's a steak place. What's that place called?
Deland Stockyard.
Deland Stockyard down the road. Maybe get ourselves a steak, have a nice dinner. Other than that, we don't know what we're doing yet. But this pool looks like it wants us to feel the water. Hello. Sorry to bother you.
That's been hard work to keep the landscape so good and keep it looking nice.
This place is very well kept. Very clean. That's our room up there. We're down here in the front now, by the water. Everywhere I look, there's a lizard. Look at this guy.
Gonna do it this time on my day off. We hope you enjoyed coming along as we got married. It sounds weird to say, but we did. So we really enjoyed hanging out here, just relaxing at the Hontoon Marina Resort. It's a really beautiful place. If you want to come, don't expect any excitement, just expect relaxation and beautiful nature. But if you did like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time on the next My Day Off. Bye everybody.
Bye.